Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, October 23rd. Oceania Cruises has reported a norovirus outbreak aboard the Oceania Insignia during a sailing from October 16th through the 27th. Now, according to data reported to the CDC's vessel sanitation program, 74 passengers, or about 12% of those on board, fell ill, along with one crew member. Now, in response, the crew increased cleaning protocols, isolated sick individuals, and submitted samples for testing. The CDC is remotely monitoring the situation and reviewing the ship's sanitation logs. The Insignia is sailing with 637 passengers and 391 crew members. And prosecutors have declined to file charges against a mother whose 5-year-old daughter fell overboard from the Disney Dream cruise ship in June. This happened back on June 29th as the ship was sailing from Bahamas to Port Everglades. Officials say the mother was taking photos of her daughter near an open porthole when the child fell through the porthole and 49 feet to the ocean. The girl's father jumped in after her and kept them both afloat until they were rescued by the ship's crew within 20 minutes. The father was sent to a Florida hospital and has since recovered. Prosecutors called the fall a momentary lapse in judgment, but said that the mother's actions did not rise to the level of criminal negligence. And Carnival Cruise Line has announced new deployments for 27 and 28, including the return of year-round cruises from Mobile, Alabama. Starting May of 27, Carnival Valor will become the first Conquest-class ship to home port of Mobile, offering 6 to 8 night cruises to Nassau, Half Moon, and Celebration Key. Valor will wrap up service in New Orleans in early May of 27. Meanwhile, Carnival Glory will continue to sail 3 and 4 night cruises from Port Canaveral, and Carnival Conquest will sail out of Miami. And cruise stocks were mixed on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up slightly, $30. Royal Caribbean up the same, $317.98. Norwegian down 1.2%, $23.63. And Viking down slightly, $61.20. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. This week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of the MSC Seashore, where you listen to your favorite podcast, here in windy Palma de Mallorca in Spain. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Thursday.